everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on multiple Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today for our 3-minute mini build we're going to be building this camera stand with cameras. And I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with a 2x6 standard base plate in this dark grey. And we're going to put these inverted roof tile pieces. I've got them in orange. And we need 3 of them. We're just going to stick them like so to add a little bit of upward facing design. Now on top of them, a 6x1 or 1x6 standard base plate on the front. And a 1x6 tile behind that, like so. You could use this as a bench if you like, but we're going to be using this as our camera stand. So we're going to bring in these upward facing poles, you know, in this dark grey, and we're going to stick it like this. And I'm going to bring 2 more of them because we're going to be placing 3 cameras on this stand, and on top of this place a 1x6 standard base plate. Sorry, a 1x6 tile. Yeah, that's what I meant. And there we have our stand. That's simple enough. Now let's get down to making our cameras. So there are loads of ways of making different cameras, all using the special camera piece that we have over here for minifigures. Now the first one is the most simplest one. You get a clear round stud, if you can see it because it's so clear, and you just stick it on, and there we go. There's one of them done. Now another one you can do is with a special lens. So you get a kind of stud like that, just in black, and you get a flat round tile, just clear, and you stick that on there, and it has a base color of black. Then look, extra special, and we just stick it on the camera like so. Here we have our camera number 2. For camera number 3, we're going to be doing something extra special. We're going to be using a very big lens. So we're going to get this tubular piece in black, because these are black cameras, and one of these little tiny Minifig holders, and you place the pole end into the stud on the tubular piece, and there you go, one lens. Just stick it on the camera here, and then we've got an extra long range lens for finding stuff. So let's bring our cameras back and our stand. So we're going to arrange it smallest to largest. So smallest camera over here. This is by far the cheapest one. It's only $3. Then we got this one. I'll place that over here. That's for $5. And this extra super one is for $100. We're gonna stick it over here with the lens pointing that way. And there we've done it. So there we have it. Our camera stand is complete, and there are loads of other different ranges of cameras you can do. If you do not have a camera, then you can make one of those stand-up cameras if you like. But with these pieces you can do quite a lot. Lots of different lenses that you can attach them. You can also add different colors on them if you don't want the old dull black attached to them. And also these cameras have the place for a bar down the middle, so that is how it fits onto this stand. So you can also put it on loads of different bars if you, for instance, want to put it on a selfie stick or something like that. But anyways, I have my nature photographer over here, and she's coming to buy a camera. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building! I'm going to buy buy a camera now. Which one should I choose? I'm gonna choose the $100 one because it's especially good for taking pictures. Click, 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 click.